Hi, welcome to another quick tutorial on drawing lips at 3/4 angle. The materials I'll be using today are listed on this slide and in the description section of the YouTube video. I have previously blocked in the drawing outline. Firstly, I'm just applying some graphite powder. I've done this by running a 6B pencil on some sandpaper. I know it looks a little messy, but it does achieve two things. It gets rid of that white paper and also provides a good background to the subsequent layers of graphite. I am simply adding the dark background with layers of initially a B and then 8B pencil to get it as dark as I can. The next step is to add the darkest areas inside the mouth and then some basic shading to the rest of the drawing. We'll eventually blend this as we progress by adding alternative layers of graphite and then shading between layers. The crevices in the lips are being added with a technical pencil. And we'll build on those areas with highlights and shadows as we go along. The darker tones are being applied with a 6B pencil. I am not trying to achieve an exact copy of the photo, so my drawing and your drawing does not have to be precise in every way. I am adding highlights with the edge of a mono eraser. This has been achieved by chiseling the edge with a sharp craft knife. You will see that I am continually adding graphite blending and highlighting as each layer can dull previous applied darks and lights. A white gel pen is used for the brightest highlights. If this becomes too bright, I usually soften it by rubbing some of the nearby graphite into it. We are then using a pointed 6B pencil parallel to the highlights to create that division between light and dark and more of a realistic shade and highlight transition. Finally, just adding some dots to the chin to reflect some of the skin pores, and I think that we are nearly finished. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this short video.